Steel Productions.
Runway Productions. DJ Cleo. AK.
And it goes a little something like this.
I used to wanna touch you when I ordered nake khashu.
Kumbulanga na mali dali wangi busy bari.
I used to be lonely, abo baby wouldn't hold me.
Inkomela yodo uwe owangithoka. Uyizolo ngingasifokol ngiphelelisa umsokolo umuntu angadobi fokol lebo cheli kwangishanga one ngathi ngiyabanukela indlela inyukela kusolunga kusoyehlela izinto zejika kunomhlaba ohlabayo olambayo uye manje osuthayo sekuyimi obabayo ophandayo sebangibona bonke ngiyindoda yabo sengiseleb na ngoba ngiphume TV emophepheni anibabhekini sibafuna ukuzenza bomakhwapheni la kusemhlabeni wena wenzile dala inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu ngoba ngilahlile ngalesi sikhathi bengana silk blouse ngana townhouse abheke manje ngivaya nezispend ama pounds mina bengithi ngiserious ngifuna umakoti thina asafuni izimba mkoti
I used to wanna touch you when I ordered nake khashu.
kumbulanga na mali dali wangi busy bari
I used to be lonely, abo baby wouldn't hold me.
inkomela yodo uwe owangithoka.
Yo, check it. These girls used to want the God, now they blow me in my entourage. Attracted to the poetry that glows in me. Baby girls sharing at the shows for me. Emotionally, I'm glad I'm this far. African madams with cars, I got the talent of stars. Making divas groupies, going to see the movies with chicks that need to see movie. I'm waiting to blow and the casino so. They used to call me Quasimodo, now I'm a Tyson Beckford cause I license records. You want me in your thighs direct shit. My ego is large like the size of my erection. I need to go with true love like Ukanye Lomo. Volume Lomo, Shifrastan, Stramto, 6'9's to Favos. These rhymes are bust yo, get my nuts blown with gusto. Afro Diablo, we don't love these I used to wanna touch you when I ordered nake khashu.
kumbulanga na mali dali wangi busy bari
I used to be lonely, abo baby wouldn't hold me.
inkomela yodo uwe owangithoka.
I gave my heartbeat for the golden city to love me. Sold my soul like Biggie the Puffy. You know you blew up when your girl's a pop star. Apollo and Afro about to drop hard.
Sesifikile siqinile sobona ama rockstars akhulile kushubile sesibona labafazi abangazi ukuthi ubani isikhathi kanti Afro no Diablo asichithi isikhathi.
Bless Mzansi le basadi kadile reko papadi rap game ya masiba itla go kenya di party fresh on the scene and I'm keeping it godly.
Ngikasi ngokushayela phansi sengiyazi kubuhlungu kanjani ukungabi nomfazi ungadlali ngami ngoba ngidlali ngawe ungangilingi ngoba ngeke ngibe nendaba nawe.
I used to wanna touch you when I ordered nake khashu.
kumbulanga na mali dali wangi busy bari
I used to be lonely, abo baby wouldn't hold me.
inkomela yodo uwe owangithoka.
Yeah, it's just the way it is.
Steel Productions.
Runway Productions. Apollo Diablo, Mr. Pitch Black Afro, DJ Cleo. Yeah, groupies galore. 2004.
And it goes a little something like this.
Till infinity. Yeah.